No man can rightly accomplish what he holds in his heart if everything he himself does not seem little to him, nor does any man love with a true heart. If he thinks he loves too perfectly, for such thinking diminishes love, while the other kind makes it grow. But I do not love by such a seeming, rather I swear by her whom I hold dearest in my heart, that the more strongly I love her, the more I think I love her only a little. I love her little, according to what I understand, for I have neither honor nor good except in loving her. And if I loved her as much as is fitting for her, I would be king of love and of youth and of noble deeds, though no man can have honor equal to her worth. Yet I carry such great grief in my heart, because I cannot perform the deeds that the sufferings I endure ought to be counted as deeds themselves. For the man who wishes to act and cannot suffers 100 times over worse pain than the man who can act and does. For power gives strength against the fear that robs the noble man of amorous thought. But she in whom I have placed all my hope is of such worth that she knows with such refined skill how to win honor and guard herself, that never in any affair has she done too little or too much. When in my heart I gaze upon a beautiful noble body, the sweet thought delights me so much and pleases me so deeply that I languish with joy. And because I do not love her more, I die of desire the more I love her from the heart. For I would wish so much that her friendship might grow toward me until I died, or until she had pity on me. For the joy of love, when a lady chooses to give it, can rise only as high as the measure of the love with which a man loves her. Nor is a gift worth anything to the one who receives it, except so far as it is given joyfully. Therefore, if my lady considers the joy I would have from her noble gift, if mercy descends into her, for otherwise I have no trust in anything, then she and mercy will make a good agreement. For mercy makes a noble heart come into accord with the loyal heart conquered by excessive love. Go forward, song, toward the beautiful lady Eleanor, for in her good words take on betterment. I send you to her so that you may be improved, and if she receives